What's up, and we are back for the part 2 of the GR86 and BRZ for Tokyo Auto Salon 2025. Now special thanks again to AME for all the support for this channel, and please go check out their website and check their wheels. There are great JDM wheels. Now let's get on with the first one. Now here we have the GT86 with the face conversion of the GR86. This is from 3D Print Lab, and we saw this last year. And last year it had the left side wide body and the right side being the narrow body. Talked to the guys and they said they didn't make it on time last year, and now we see the complete version of this. And not only the AERO, but they have the AERO Turbo World installed, and it is something different. You can see it's a low mounted turbo, that's what you call it, and they say that it helps bring the center of gravity lower compared to other turbos, so go check out their website as well. So going back to the AERO, 3D Print Lab said that they designed this so that those people who couldn't afford a new car can get a GT86 and just get a new face that would match the newer car for just 348,000 yen or 2,200 US. Now this kit only comes for the conversion, so you still have to buy the GR86 bumper and the GR86 headlights. And aside from that, they also have a dual caliper kit for drifting. And they say all their parts are already available for sale in Japan and also plan to go worldwide. Next up we have Aimgain. They have this red white body that they had last year, so nothing much of a change, but I do think they made a hole for the vents now. I think they were black last year, I don't actually remember. Always a beautiful looking kit and aggressive wheel spec, and never lets us down. Now to the Apexi booth. They didn't have a demo car in place, but they did have some interesting parts. So first of all, this steering wheel control that they have is pretty neat, and it's actually for the 86 BRZ GR86, and it's nothing looking bad compared to what Worksbell has to offer, but it is kind of pricey. So one of the interesting parts that I saw is their N1 brake shroud. It's actually a part that can allow you to cool down your brakes. Now for this part, they're only selling the shroud itself, not including the lower arm. So this goes for 39,600 yen or around 250 US. Next up in the autobacs booth, we have the Apit original full AERO bumper replacement, and really changes the face of the car. Good looking colors on the side. Oh, it's kind of a blame that we can see the windshield washer tank right there. And we can also see some overseas side markers, the amber ones, not the JDM clear ones. Cool gunmetal T37s wrapped in Bridgestone Potenzas. Always a fan of gunmetal wheels. Project New big brake kit looking good. And the fender ducts that looks like the ones from Axis parts, but if you look at the bottom end, it kind of look different because the Apit one kind of is designed to go smooth with the side skirts. And here another GR86 at the 8-bit autobacs booth. For this one we can see it's the same bumper, only its canards are white, same amber side markers, this time on endless big brakes. You see the same side fender vents with the other one, so it seems like they're pretty much the same, only this one is wrapped in matte white. Now we did have some Alpha X headlights, but at the back it seems like it has the Valenti. And as we can see in the rear bumper, it actually has some vents on the side. Probably they are functional because they're from Apit, I'm not sure. Also good looking titanium mufflers. Carbon fiber trunk spoiler, and we see the HKS GT wing. Overall looking good. At the BN Sports booth, I just got their catalog, no GR86 here, but I just saw that they already released their kit. They had the demo car last year, so go check out my video. They're selling this kit for 6 pieces for 951,720 yen or 6,000 USD. On the Blitz booth, we have again the GT86 MF Ghost concept. Now, they did have teasers of videos of MF Ghost where they installed the Blitz turbo, so now they're showing it here. Also having full Blitz accessories on tower bar. This also has a big brake kit just like the one in MF Ghost. Seal with the NKPF05 5-spoke wheels, looking good on this car, especially with the metallic red Blitz big brake kit. At the GP Sports booth, we have the 86 Drift and good looking kit here, some Valinos, and look at that angle. I think they have the GP Sports angle kit right here. See some nice big brake kit and rotors from GP Sports. Another GT86, but this time in narrow body, and this is actually their GT86 Turbo Drift. XA clutches kind of busy at their booth. Same GR86 we saw last year with the inks kit. Go check out the last year's video if you want to check it out. Another turbo GR86 at Kansai Services booth. I think there's nothing new in it, so if you want to check out the detailed video of this car, please check the video last year. Now here's a car you might be familiar with. It's wrapped in matte white, Alpha X headlight and taillights, full max Orido AERO, front, side, rear, also the fender flares, that sticker on the side vents, a 19-inch Advent GT's gunmetal wrapped in Advance, Project Mu big brake kit, looking good, and you guessed it right, my Orido. So that wraps up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the part 3. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified when the video is released. Again, special thanks to AME for always supporting this channel. So again, hope you enjoyed and see you on the next one.